In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your USDT or Tether wallet address inside of ByBit. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up ByBit like you usually would on either your iPhone or your computer. Then from here, you need to go up to the Exchange tab and go down to Deposit. Then from here, you need to go up to the search bar and click in USDT like so. Then from here, you need to choose the first one called USDT TetherUS. Then from here, you need to choose the chain type. And you can see there's a bunch of different networks down here. And you need to make sure that you choose the correct network for your deposit, or else the cryptocurrency will disappear and you have no idea of how to get it back. Then from here, I'm just going to choose Ethereum for this tutorial. It will look like this either way of the network you choose, but you'll have the QR code up here that you can scan. You'll have the entire wallet address down here that you can copy to a clipboard. You can see the root deposit to, the funding account, the deposit arrival, the withdrawal unlocked, and the contract address. Down here, you can also save the image to your photos, and you can also copy the address down here. And that's how you do it. If you